How to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on any phone you're using, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So all you want to do is open up your Instagram application. Then on the bottom right, you're going to see your profile icon, so just go ahead and click on that. Then on the top right, press the three lines, and then you're going to be within your settings and activity. So now what you want to just go ahead and do from here is go over to your Meta account center, which is always going to be the top option anyway. Once you click on that towards the bottom, you're going to see manage accounts as one of the options. Now you're going to see any account that's currently linked over to your Instagram, whether it's a Facebook account, Threads account, or obviously an Instagram account. All I want to do is click manage. If I want to remove something, it's going to say move out of this account center, so I can just remove it. I can also deactivate or delete if I want to as well, or I can do memorialization, which I can decide what happens to my Instagram profile if I, pass away or anything like that. But if you want to delete your Instagram account, all you got to do is click on whichever Instagram account you want. You're going to see deactivation or deletion. Then you're just going to see delete account as one of the options, and then you can just go ahead and click on it.